Need secure meetings? In 60 seconds I'll show how to enable end-to-end encryption in Google Meet. First, make sure you're signed into a supported Google Workspace account and up to date. Start or join a meeting at meet.google.com from Chrome or a supported browser. Open the Meeting Safety menu, look for the shield or safety icon in the meeting controls. Select Use End-to-End Encryption from Safety Options. Toggle encryption on for this meeting, then confirm to apply the stronger protection. Participants must use supported browsers and accept the encryption prompt to join securely. Share the verification code shown on screen so attendees can confirm the secure session. Remember, enabling E2EE disables recording, live captions, and dial-in by phone. If you need recordings, do that before enabling encryption or disable E2EE afterward. That's it, your meeting is now end-to-end encrypted. Speak freely and securely. Quick recap: settings, toggle on, verify participants. Subscribe for more quick privacy tips.